Okay, today I'm going to talk about breakfast. I searched long and hard to find something that I would look forward to every morning, and I've settled in on this cinnamon blueberry oatmeal cereal. And it's just full of lots of things that just have amazing health benefits. It is a lot of ingredients, so a little bit complicated at first, but once you get into the habit of it, it's very fast to make every morning. I use these quick oats, which you can microwave, so that makes it go really quickly, and then you just end up with this delicious, healthy breakfast. And it turns out it's fully vegan with no dairy, and it is really good. So here's how I do it. Here are the ingredients laid out: organic blueberries, frozen or fresh. These are the organic quick oats. Then we've got cinnamon, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. We use a organic unsweetened almond milk, and then the pumpkin seeds, the almonds, and the pecans. You want those in as small pieces as you can find. So I use about half a cup of the quick oats, and then in a separate little ramekin, a teaspoon of the pecans, of the almonds, and the pumpkin seeds, and you can adjust those things to taste. And then I'll set those aside with a teaspoon of the cinnamon. Then go ahead and add a quarter cup of blueberries once they've thawed, or if they're fresh, to the cereal, and submerge that in about a half a cup of the almond milk. Then you can microwave that for 45 seconds to a minute, again, depending on your taste. And from there, add a little bit of vanilla for that flavor, and then the maple syrup. And now you should have a semi-liquid cereal that you can kind of mix up with the blueberries. And then as the finishing touch, just add the nuts and cinnamon. Go ahead and mix that together, and you have got better than a blueberry muffin, and very healthy, all vegan, delicious breakfast. So enjoy.